Today we will discuss exhaustive events of probability. According to the definition of exhaustive event, all the possible outcomes of any trial taken together are called exhaustive events. Suppose we have two boys and three girls. Two children are selected at random. Describe the events in the form of E1, E2, E3. First of all, make a sample space, taking two children one time. Maybe both are boys, both are girls. So we can write here first boy, second boy in the form of B1, B2, B1, G1, B1, G2 and so on. So first make a sample space. Now let E1 be the event that both selected children are girls. So we can write here G1, G2, G2, G3 and G1, G3. E2 event that selected children consist of one boy and one girl. So we can make a sample space again in the form of E2, B1, G1 and B2, G2 up to B2, G3. Third event we have E3 event that at least one boy is selected when B1, B2, B1, G1 and B1, G2 and so on up to B2, G3. Here E1 and E2 together do not consist sample space S. So we can say E1 and E2 are not exhaustive events, and E2 and E3 also do not form the whole sample space S. So we can say E2 and E3 are not exhaustive events, but E1 and E3 together form a whole sample space. So we can say E1 and E3 are exhaustive events. For example, a bag contains 24 balls of which eggs are red, 2 eggs are white and 3 eggs are blue. A ball is selected at random. What is the probability that it is not red and white? So first of all, we know that we have 24 balls where eggs are red, 2 eggs white and 3 eggs blue. So we can find the value of x after adding all balls. We can write here x plus 2x plus 3x equal to 24, where x equal to 4. Now we can find the exact number of red balls, white balls and blue balls, where 4 are red balls, 8 are white balls and 12 are blue balls. We can find the probability of getting not red. To find the probability of getting not red balls, we know that total number of balls is 24 and 4 are red balls. So we can subtract here 24 minus 4 equal to 20. We can say 20 are not red ball. Total ball is 24. So we can find the probability of not getting red equal to 20 upon 24 equal to 5 by 6, which is required probability. Second method we can apply here, PE plus P not E equal to 1. We can find the probability of getting red ball, then we can subtract from 1 to find the probability of getting not red ball. Second part we have find the probability of getting white ball. Red ball we have 4 and white ball we have 8. Now here we have the number of white balls equal to 8. So we can write here 8 upon 24 because 24 is the total number of balls. So we can find the probability of white balls equal to 8 by 24 equal to 1 by 3, which is required probability. Second example we have a lot of 48 mobile phones of which 42 are good, 3 have only minor defects and 3 have major defects. Varnika will buy a phone if it is good, but the trader will only buy a mobile if it has no major defect. One phone is selected at random from the lot. What is the probability that it is acceptable to Varnika or acceptable to trader? So first of all, we know that there are 48 mobile phones. Let E be the event that Varnika selected mobile should be good. So we can write here probability getting good mobile equal to 42 upon 48, because we can subtract here some values from the total number of mobile phones, where 6 numbers of mobile phones we have subtracted. 3 have only minor defect and 3 have major defects. So we can write here 48 minus 6 equal to 42, or we can say that according to the given condition, a lot consists of 48 mobile phones, of which 42 are good. So we can write here direct 42 upon 48, because 42 are good and total number of 48 we can write here. 3 are defected, means minor defected, and 3 are major defected. So we can subtract 3 plus 3 equal to 6 from 48. We can write here P getting good mobile equal to 42 upon 48. Second part, trader buys a phone which has no major defect. We can subtract number of phone with major defect equal to 3. So out of 48 we can subtract 3, we have only 45. Now P be the event, P is the probability of getting acceptable mobile to trader equal to 45 upon 48 equal to 15 upon 16. Very important question for NTSC and NSTSC competition. If a number x is chosen at random from the numbers -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, what is the probability that x square less than 2? So first of all we can write here values of x. We have x equal to -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Find x square. -2 square 4, -1 square 1, 0 square 0, 1 square 1 and 2 square 4. Now given that x square should be less than 2, so we can say here 0 is less than 2, 1 is less than 2 and 1 is less than 2, means square of -1 should be less than equal to 2, square of 0 should be less than equal to 2 and square of 1 be same. So total number of x square we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the square less than 2 is only 3, 1, 2, 3. So we can write here required probability equal to 3 by 5. Now you can see the solution here.